This is Insight Arc, and in this video, let's learn how to find the LCM, that is the least common multiple. In simple words, it's the smallest number that both of your numbers can exactly divide into. You can also think of it as the first number that comes in both their multiplication tables. There are two common methods to find the LCM. We have listing and dividing. Listing is better for smaller numbers, and dividing is better for larger ones. Let me show both methods. Example 1. Find the LCM of 4 and 6. First, we list some of their multiples. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and so on. The first number that appears in both lists is 12. So the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. This is simple for small numbers, but can be slow for bigger ones. Let's see another example. Find the LCM of 12 and 18 using division. First, we write both the numbers and divide by common prime numbers step by step. So we write down 12 and 18. The first prime number which can divide into both are 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 6 can be divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And since 9 can't be divided by 2, we just bring it down. 3 and 9 can be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 can be divided by 3. And we stop once we get 1 on both sides. So now to find the LCM, we multiply all these numbers on the left. So the LCM of 12 and 18 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which is 36. Let's see another example. Find the LCM of 15 and 20 using division. As before, we write both the numbers 15 and 20. 20 can be divided by 2, so we write 2 first. 15 cannot be divided by 2, so we can just bring it down. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 can again be divided by 2. 15 can't, so we bring it down. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 15 can be divided by 3, so we write here 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 can only be divided by 5, and we get 1, so we can stop. The LCM of these numbers is the multiplication of this. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, which is 60. So the LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. Division method saves time, especially with larger numbers. That's how you find the LCM. Listing works for smaller numbers, division method is quicker for bigger ones. Practice both and you'll get the hang of it. Follow Insight Arc, where math finally makes sense.